Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. So today I will show you how I make this milk toast bread, a comforting recipe for any time. So let's get started. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add in sugar and a pinch of salt to taste. Let's combine this together. Pour the milk into the mixture and mix everything together until well combined. Heat a frying pan over a medium heat and grease with butter. Take a slice of toast and dip it into the butter. Ensure it's fully coated. Repeat this with the remaining slices. Place the soaked toast onto the skillet. So I'm just going to repeat the steps. Now, here's the fun part. After you've tried this delicious milk toast recipe today, I want to hear from you. Did you enjoy it as much as I do? Go ahead and subscribe and let's keep cooking together. Let's add some of the mixture to the toast bread to help cook. Then I will also brush the pan with butter and fry this on both sides until golden brown. If you find this recipe helpful and tasty today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and follow us on one of your favorite social media. Let's continue to brush each side of the bread with butter to ensure that it's well fried. And also, I will fry the edges on both sides of the bread for extra flavor and crispiness. Let's repeat this procedure until it's well fried. So yeah, I'm glad you've learned how I make this good and beautiful recipe today. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.